In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run a scenario in Make, from logging in right through to verifying that everything processed correctly. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, head over to Make and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, look for the Scenarios tab in the left-hand sidebar and click it. This will bring up a list of all the scenarios you've created or that are shared with you. Now, take a moment to select the specific scenario you want to run. Just click on the scenario name, and that will open it up inside the scenario builder. Before you actually run anything, it's always a good idea to do a quick review of the workflow. Take a look at the modules and the connections between them to make sure everything is configured properly. If you've made any changes recently, click the Save button to lock those modifications in. This step is easy to skip, and it's exactly when things go wrong later on. So get into the habit of saving before you run. Now let's locate the Run Once button. You'll find it at the bottom or the lower left area of the Scenario Builder interface. Go ahead and click Run Once to execute the scenario manually. This will activate the scenario, but it won't actually start pulling data just yet. To trigger the workflow, you need to perform whatever action your scenario is listening for. That could be submitting a form, adding a row to a spreadsheet, or receiving a new email. Do that now. Once the trigger fires, watch the modules as they begin to process the data. You'll see progress indicators moving through each module, and the workflow will execute step by step. When it finishes, click on the small execution bubbles that appear above each module. These bubbles let you inspect exactly what data flowed in and out of every step. This is the best way to confirm that your scenario is handling the information the way you intended. Finally, check the destination application to verify that the expected action actually happened. Did that row appear in your spreadsheet? Was that email sent or that record updated? Once you see the result, you're all set. You've successfully run a scenario manually in Make and processed all the available data. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.